Wondering how the 2024 elections will impact home sales? It's because of the uncertainty, and that is obvious. This is Robbie Thomas, your Bay Area downsizer. Many consumers hold off on making major decisions or purchases while they wait to see how the election will play out. It's a pattern that's shown up time and time again, and it's particularly apparent for buyers and sellers in this housing market. This year is no different. A recent survey from Redfin found that 23% of potential first-time home buyers said they're waiting until after the election to buy. That's nearly a quarter of first-time buyers hitting the pause button, likely due to the same feelings of uncertainty that I'd mentioned. That's because once the election dust settles, buyers and sellers have a sense of what's ahead and generally feel more confident moving forward with their decisions, and that leads to a boost in home sales. So what to expect in 2025? The CoreLogic Case-Shiller US Home Price Index for August has just been released, showing a 4.2 annual gain, down from 4.8% in the previous month. The 20 City Composite Index posted a 5.2% annual increase, a decline from 5.9% last month, while the 10 City Composite Index recorded a 6% gain, down from 6.8%. Although home prices remain at record highs, the decelerating trend is clear. Home price growth is starting to show signs of strain, with the slowest annual gain since mortgage rates peaked in 2023, says Brian Luke, head of commodities, real and digital assets. This is actually good news for both buyers and sellers because interest rates will dip and home prices will rise slightly even with increased inventory. Now, don't forget, the September housing report showed the existing inventory of homes available for sale was up 11.6% last month, but still down 23% from the pre-pandemic levels. And if history is any indicator, that means more homes will sell next year, and based on the latest forecast, that's exactly what you should expect. As the graph shows, the housing market is on pace to sell a total of 4.6 million homes this year, that is 2024, and projections are for 5.2 million total sales 2025. So home sales bounce back after the election. It's important to remember that while election years often bring a short-term slowdown in the housing market, the pause is usually temporary. If you're waiting for a clearer picture before making a move, just know that the market is expected to pick up speed in the months ahead. The good news is these delayed sales aren't lost forever. They're just postponed. History shows sales tend to rebound after the election, and in fact, home sales have actually increased 82% of the time in the year after the election. Historical data shows home sales tend to bounce right back after the election. So that's those same sales that was happening before the election but just delayed. And current experts' forecasts show that the trend will continue as more homes are expected to hit the market in 2025. So with the market expected to pick up a bit next year, now is a great time to start preparing, and the one who's prepared best wins. So if you're interested in a complimentary market analysis of your house, please feel free to reach me at 510-374-2264. Robbie Thomas, your Bay Area downsizer. Bye.